Hello, welcome back. Tara, unbox natin itong Mechanic T12 Pro Max na soldering station. And ito yung pinaka-main reasons why I bought this station. It has fast heating, up to 4 seconds mainit kagad yung pen niya. Meron tayong heating capacity of 72 watts. And ang peak niya is 160 watts and T12 tip siya. Meron siyang auto sleep and wake function. Then meron din siyang 3 programmable temperature presets if may iba-iba kayong heating range na gagamitin, guys. And if interested kayo, guys, I will leave the link down below in the description. And here we go, let's take a look what are the included accessories. And by the way, guys, this X9 Flux is not included with the kit. I just pre-ordered this and they just put it inside the box. Alright, here's the manual and the grounding cable, and also the cleaning sponge. And guys, it is just nice to see lang na si seller nagput ng effort para maglagay na extra layer of packing here para hindi lang madamage yung item pag na-ship na. And here is the included tip. It is the T12 KU. It is like a knife type na tip. Here's the pen, the soldering pen, guys. And it just looks like a JBC soldering pen, guys. Ganun yung itsura niya. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Meron siyang mechanic branding. And then, what kind of pen it is. T12. Then yung plug niya. It uses a aviator plug. Ito yung power plug naman natin. For ano natin, guys, power, no? It uses an EU plug. And here is the soldering station. Let's take it out from the box. And here it is, guys. Upon checking lang, it is made out of plastic, pero tong pen holder natin is made of aluminum. It kinda looks like metal from the outside, pero it's plastic, guys. Yung finish niya lang para magmukha siyang metal, pero it's made out of plastic. And this is actually quite new. The manufacturing date here says it's made last June 2. So it's quite new, guys. Yan, ikot lang natin siya para makita nyo. Dito yung ilalagay yung cleaning sponge nyo. Yan, removable din siya just in case you want to throw away yung mga solder na naipon dyan sa cleaning sponge. Tapos yung mga extra tip nyo, guys, ilagay. Yung rubber fit, it works. I-switch nya, dito nyo ipa-plug yung power plug. Yung grounding cable, dyan nyo ipa-plug. I-attach nyo lang yung sa ground. Tapos ayan yung aviator socket natin. And guys, for the next video, I will show you how to use this station and kung gaano man siya ka-frustrating gamitin. And if you like this kind of contents, kindly please follow, like, and share this video for more. Thank you. Bye-bye.